In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to connect Gumroad to Discord for automatic customer access and notifications. First, open Gumroad, Zapier, Make.com and Discord in your browser. Log in to your accounts before starting the setup. One of the easiest ways to connect Gumroad to Discord is by using Zapier or Make.com for automation. Once you are inside Zapier or Make.com, create a new automation workflow. Now choose Gumroad as the trigger app. For the trigger event, select New Sale so the workflow runs automatically whenever someone purchases one of your products. Next, connect your Gumroad account using your API key. To find the API key, open your Gumroad dashboard, go to Settings, then open the Advanced section and copy your API key. Paste the API key into the automation platform and finish connecting your account. After that, choose Discord as the action app. Now select an action like Send Channel Message if you want automatic sales notifications inside your Discord server. You can also use advanced workflows to assign Discord roles automatically for memberships, courses, or private communities. Next, connect your Discord account and choose the server and channel you want to use. Customize the message with details like buyer name, product purchased, purchase amount, or customer email. Once everything is configured, run a test to make sure the notification or automation works correctly. If the test works successfully, publish or enable the workflow. You can also use Discord webhooks for a simpler setup. To create a webhook, open your Discord server settings, go to Integrations, select Webhooks, create a new webhook, and copy the webhook URL. Then paste that webhook URL into Zapier or Make.com to send automated sale notifications directly into Discord. For more advanced setups, you can combine Discord bots with Make.com to automatically grant roles or unlock private channels after purchases. And that's how to connect Gumroad to Discord. Thanks for watching and goodbye.